नहीं, साल हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा है। हमने बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली। ऑब्वियसली बीच में दो सेटबैक्स रहे हमारे लिए T20 वर्ल्ड कप में और वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप में, बट इंग्लैंड में जिस तरीके से हम जीते और जिस तरीके की क्रिकेट हमने घर पे भी खेली, आई थिंक उससे हम बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस ले सकते हैं। आप जब भी आप टूर्नामेंट खेलते हैं, आप हर टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीतेंगे, हर सीरीज़ नहीं जीतेंगे, बट आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन टीम के साथ ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो जाती हैं कि हमें 12 महीने में सब कुछ जीतना है, जो कि ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल नहीं होता है। तो हम एज ए टीम, हमें पता है कि हम कहाँ पे चीज़ों को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, कौन से एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे हम आगे सही डायरेक्शन में जा सकते हैं। और यही हमारा हमेशा से प्रोसेस रहा है, जो आगे भी रहेगा और रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि इंडियन क्रिकेट का स्टैंडर्ड जो है वो हमेशा ऊंचा रहना चाहिए। भले कोई भी खेले, आज ये लॉट खेल रहा है, कल को यंगस्टर्स जब आएंगे तो उनका भी यही माइंडसेट रहना चाहिए। तो हम सबका यही एक एम रहता है कि हम साल दर साल हम जज करते हैं कि हमने कैसे तरीके की क्रिकेट खेली, और वो मुझे लगता है कि हमने अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली। एज आई सेड, एक एक वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप का फाइनल अगर आप ले लें वो छोड़ के, और T20 वर्ल्ड कप को छोड़ के। ये मेरा एनालिसिस है। बाकी अजिंक्य की फॉर्म को जज मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ। मैं और कोई भी जज नहीं कर सकता, आई थिंक, बिकॉज एक इंडिविजुअल को पता होता है कि कौन से एरियाज हैं गेम में जिन पे आपको मेहनत करनी है। जैसे मैंने बोला कि उन लोगों ने जिन लोगों ने उन लोगों को बैक करना ज़रूरी है जिन लोगों ने आपके लिए मुश्किल सिचुएशंस में इन द पास्ट बहुत ज़रूरी टेस्ट मैचेस में इम्पैक्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस दी हैं। तो आई थिंक थोड़ा भी लोगों पे प्रेशर आते ही अगर ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट बना दिया जाए कि अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, तो हम एज ए टीम उस चीज़ को एंटरटेन नहीं करते, क्योंकि बाहर तो ये हम बैलेंस एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं कि वही लोग जो गुणगान गाते हैं वही 2 महीने बाद उस बंदे को बोलते हैं कि इसको टीम से बाहर कर देना चाहिए। तो हम लोग ऐसे ना तो कभी रिएक्ट करते हैं और ना कभी रिएक्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें पता है इस चीज़ को करने में कितनी मेहनत लगती है और कितना एफर्ट लगता है किसी भी इंसान को एक मेंटल स्पेस में घुसने के लिए जो पॉजिटिव हो। और हम लोग उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे, चाहे वो अजिंक्य हो या कोई भी हो, कल को कोई भी प्लेयर हो। हम लोग उसको कभी भी बाहर के माहौल के ऊपर कभी भी इन चीज़ों पे डिसीजन नहीं लेंगे। पॉजिटिव इसका मुझे असर ये दिखता है कि सर, आगे टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए जो एक इंटेंट और एक पैशन चाहिए, अगर ऐसे इंडिविजुअल्स में दिखेगा जो आके ऐसे इम्पैक्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस दे रहे हैं, तो सबको एक एश्योरेंस रहेगी कि यार इंडियन क्रिकेट इज इन सेफ हैंड्स। आपको आपको भरोसा रहेगा कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट का स्टैंडर्ड नीचे नहीं जाएगा। ऐसे लड़के हैं जो हंग्री हैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट में अच्छा करने के लिए। तो हम लोगों ने वो कल्चर ड्राइव किया है काफ़ी सालों से, और अच्छा लगता है देख के कि यंगस्टर्स भी आके वो उस चीज़ को, उस मेहनत को फील करना चाहते हैं जो टेस्ट क्रिकेट में करनी पड़ती है, और उसका जब रिजल्ट मिलता है तो दे अंडरस्टैंड कि इसको क्यों टफेस्ट फॉर्मेट और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी फॉर्मेट और सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्टफुल फॉर्मेट बोला जाता है। तो ये बहुत अच्छे साइंस हैं कि लोग पैशनेटली अच्छा करना चाहते हैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, इंडिया में भी और बाहर भी। और वही एटीट्यूड आपको एज अ टीम हमेशा कंसिस्टेंसी प्रोवाइड करेगा। Yeah, look, those are discussions we are going to have now with the selectors, and it's yeah, it's a good headache to have, but we also want clarity in these things, and understand that it's always great to know exactly what you want to do before you head into a series like South Africa. So those things are very important for us to address, and we are going to have a discussion straight away when we go to the hotel now. I think to play at this level for a long period of time, you need resilience and you need character, and he's certainly shown that. And we've all gone through these processes where at some stage we've had to kind of make that impact performance at a very crucial stage, and he's done that. So more than just feeling easy about himself as a batsman or as an individual, I think what this will do is build his character, and that will help him in being consistent for India, moving forward in the coming years, because he's definitely an asset, and he's definitely a guy who has already shown that he has good character. Now it's all about him building on that, and these kind of innings will really give him confidence to do so, and really come into a zone, which is always going to be a great thing for the team. Yeah, look, he's come a long way. He's certainly someone who has a lot of skill and talent. you can see the way he bowls and puts in effort every spell that he bowls, that it feels like he can pick you a couple of wickets every spell, which I think is a great boost for the team, especially in difficult or challenging situations where there's a partnership and wickets are not falling. You can really rely on a guy like that to come in and bowl those 3-4 rapid overs and make something happen from the pitch. He has skill in his hand, so he doesn't really bank on conditions, which I think is a great sign for any team to have a bowler like that who can give you those important breakthroughs, which can prove to be the difference in winning a test match or drawing it. I mean, if you look at the Lord's test match as well, even when the ball stopped swinging later on, he was able to get purchase of the wicket because of the skill he has in his hand, and give us those breakthroughs, which were very crucial as well because of the number of overs we had. So yeah, he's come a long way, and he's probably in the best headspace he's been as a bowler, and now it's upon him developing that further and staying fit and hungry to play Test cricket for a long time for India, and be the bowler that the team can bank on. Well, again, that's a discussion that needs to take place. Who we think are the specialists in certain positions, and these are not things that I can sit here and answer in a press conference. You need discussions on these things. You need to analyze what's the best thing to do for the team, for the individuals as well, and come to a common conclusion. And more often than not, issues are discussed, and then we come to a collective decision which feels the most balanced. So that's the same process we're going to follow moving forward as well. And as I said, it's upon lengthy discussions where everyone puts in their ideas and just throws on some light on the things that we need to discuss. Yeah, I mean that's the usual process that you follow. You keep working hard on your game. When there are no obvious dismissal patterns, then you have to kind of persevere and keep working hard on your game, and understand that when you are going out there and batting 60, 70, 80 balls, it's about unlocking that space mentally where you can start taking the game on a little bit. And sometimes those things come naturally, and sometimes you have to wait and work hard for them. I think the one thing that remains constant is the work that you put in, the hard work that happens behind the scenes, and that is something that doesn't waver. I can tell from personal experience that that is one thing that keeps you in a space where you can keep falling back on that process and understand that this is the thing that works for you. Obviously, you need to evolve your game as well, and the evolution of anyone's game, I think, happens when there's a repetitive mistake. So you try and iron that out. Unless that happens, then it is just about perseverance and understanding and believing that things will happen on the field once you are doing everything right in practice and preparation. Right. Yeah, Akshar is obviously very, very, very all-round cricketer. His skill sets are something that provide good balance to any team that he plays for, and precisely why he's performing so well in the T20 format for so long, and in Test cricket as well. When he's given an opportunity, the good thing to see is he's adapting his game according to the needs of the format, which I think is a great sign. And again, the point I make often is that if he can keep his fitness levels up, if he can keep working on his game, then he's has potential to play for a long time. And that's basically the need of the hour in today's cricket. When we play so much cricket, if you can't keep up your fitness levels, then it becomes more and more difficult. But at the moment, he's going through a great phase, and I wish him all the success, and I hope that he stays fit and stays hungry to play for a long time.
ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।